Hello coders and welcome back to Code Mode. Today I'm going to show you how to make a timer in Python. So first we need to install the GTTS library which we're going to use to uh, convert text to speech. So open your command prompt and type in pip install G capital T and then capital S, and then enter, and it'll install the library for you, and it'll install it for you. Now, as you can see, it says successfully installed GTTS version 2.5.2. So, now that you have that, first we're going to import WinSound. And next, we're going to import time for our delays. Next, we're going to import the module for our text-to-speech conversion, which is, again, GTTS. So from import, sorry, I spelled import wrong. Import Next, we have to import Pygame for playing the converted audio. You're gonna see what we're going to use the audio for in a minute. Pygame. Now you have Pygame imported. Now we're going to ask the user for how many seconds they want the timer to be for. So we're going to make a variable a is equal to input how many seconds. Then the user is going to type in how many seconds they want the timer to be for. Then we're going to convert a into an integer. So AB is equal to int and then a. So now we have a converted into an integer, which we stored in AB. Next, we're going to type this for I in range 1 AB plus 1 and then column, and then we're going to have a wait time dot sleep 1 second. So how this is gonna work, and then we have a print I. So how this is gonna work, the user is gonna type in how long they want the timer to be for, then it's going to wait for 1 second, print 1, then it's going to keep repeating that. Then next we're going to add why we imported these two. We're going to make Python say time's up. So to do that, first let's make a variable my text, which is going to be equal to triple quotes times up. Then another triple quotes, close it off. We're using triple quotes because if we don't use triple quotes, it's gonna think that this is where we're closing the string, but we're actually closing it here. So that's why we're using triple quotes. And then we can have exclamation mark. Then we go next. Then let's choose the language. So I'm gonna make a variable language. And the language I'm gonna select is English. So EN. Next, I'm going to make the voice have a high speed. To do that, we type in my obj is equal to gtts text is equal to my text. So my text will be times up, so it's going to say times up. And then after that, we have lang, which means language. And lang is going to be equal to the variable language, which is English. And then slow is equal to false. So it's not good to make the voice go slow. Next, we're going to do my obj dot save as how about tutorial.mp3. That's so now we're going to save our audio. So we're going to use this line to save our audio. Next, we're going to initialize the mixer module, which we're going to do by using the script pygame dot mixer dot init. So pygame dot mixer dot init, and then and then we're going to load the mp3 file which we save here. So to that we are going to do pygame dot mixer dot music dot load, and then we're gonna load our file, which is going to be tutorial.mp3. So I'm just going to copy paste that in, and then after that we're going to play it. To do that, we do pygame dot mixer dot music dot play, and then it's gonna wait. So now with these lines, it's gonna say time's up, and then we're gonna have a beep 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 sound. To do that, we're gonna wait for 1 second. Time to sleep. One second, and then we're going to do and then for the beep booping, we're gonna do for I in range 1 to 4. We're going to set the frequency to 500. To 500. So this is going to so this line is going to set the frequency to 500 to 2500 hertz, and then we're going to set the duration to 1000 milliseconds, which is equal to 1 second. So it's going to last for 1 second, and then we're going to make it beep. To make it beep, we're going to use the line wind sound. We're using this here. That's why we imported this there. So wind sound dot beep for our frequency is going to be the variable here. So I'm going to copy paste that in, and our duration is going to be here. So now we have the beep, which is going to be 3 times. So I'm going to go beep, beep, beep. So we're going to have each beep in a gap of, how about 0.5 seconds? So 0.5 seconds. So this is how it's going to go. So this is how this line is going to go. It's going to beep one time, wait for 0.5 seconds, beep another time, wait for 0.5 seconds, beep up another time, and wait for 0.5 seconds. Then it's going to sleep. Then it's going to wait for another 1 second after it beeps for 3 seconds. And then we're going to copy paste the same thing in here again. So it's going to go beep, beep, beep. Then it's going to wait for 0.5 seconds and go, it's going to wait for 1 second, sorry. And then it's going to go beep, beep, beep again. Now we're finished. Time to run. It says no module main Pygame. Oh yeah, about this error, you might not have Pygame installed. So double check if you have Pygame installed. So to that, it's also really simple. Just open your console and type in pip install Pygame. And now that you have Pygame, your script should not work. Oh yeah, another thing about the script, you'll have to open a new console to make it run again. So make a new console and run it. So now how many seconds? I'll do 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Time's up.
And now it's beeping. So as you see, now it's gonna, after the timer finishes, it's gonna say time's up, and it's gonna beep 6 times. So yeah, oh yeah, if you're wondering, if you have to open a new console because the file doesn't close. So if we close the console, the file automatically closes with the console, so we can download it again. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and like to this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.